The two-day pre-commencement sensitization workshop on Spotlight Initiative to Eliminate Violence Against Women and Girls in Nigeria was recently held at the Best Western Starfire Hotel in Ikeja, Lagos State. The capacity building event, which was held on the 25th and 26th of February 2020, was put together by Project ALAC in partnership with the European Union, United Nations, and other few partners. The program commenced with the Executive Director of Project ALAC, Josephine Efe-Chukwuma, who introduced and declared the workshop opened.
We're here today to kickstart the Spotlight Initiative project, which is a global project funded by the European Union and the various UN agencies, aimed at basically eliminating violence against women and girls the world over. As the name itself says, spotlight, it means, sort of throwing the light on the issues of violence against women and girls. And Project ALAC is one of the implementing agencies in Nigeria, and we're implementing in 2 states, Lagos and Sokoto.
An eye-opener teaching on capacity buildings for girls and women CSOs, rights group on referral services for victims of SGBV, responding to domestic and sexual violence in Lagos State from the DSVRT angle was delivered by TT Lola Vivo Adeni, who is the director of DSVRT.
So it's against this backdrop that the Lagos State government thought it wise in 2014 to establish the DSVRT. The DSVRT basically envisages an unprecedented level of collaboration among all the relevant agencies that work together to provide service support to survivors of domestic and sexual violence. So we do this by leveraging on each other's strengths. We know that there is no one organization that can provide all the support services that are required. And so that is why we have to work as a team to provide holistic support to these survivors. The DSVRT is headed by the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. He or she serves as the chairman.
Other speakers also spoke on experience sharing on rendering services to SGBV by NGOs before discussions that prompted questions were raised.
My question is always, the so-called organizations that are working with women, what are you doing? Number one, because we are talking of violence, gender-based violence. We are talking of men to women. Women to children. Most of the cases we handle, apart from sexual abuse, the other one are women. So women need to understand that violence is not good.
In the Human Rights Commission for the past 2 years, there's a specific kind of violence we are seeing, especially from people from a particular geographical area of Nigeria, the southeast. The men return the women to their families. There's something called torture, there's something called mental violence. And that trauma is even worse than the physical one because you don't see it, but the person is dying inside. These men return the women, take their children from them. And we've had it in an increase in number.
A man came to pick his children. I was looking at him. He's picking 4 children. He now carried the girl, sat in front of him, in front of the tank. I mean, most of us, we don't see anything wrong with that, but to me it's very wrong. When a man or another man that is not a woman has placed a girl's child, where will that child sit? In on top of his penis. After most of them carry 2, 3 in front.
It's not okay. Women in Ghana are being raped. Girls who are dressing properly are being raped. 5-year-old girls are being raped. Boys are being raped. That statement is something that we need to culturally expunge from our mentality. That's number one. Number two, men here never be a bystander in passive connivance with violence. Most of us will hear it, we see it, we know it's happening, and then we are just bystanders. The law now does not even allow you to know and not to report. The woman who spoke about the daughters and the son, the son and the maid, please see me. We specialize in boys. Part of my training is sibling sexual attraction.
Some of the various organizations present at the workshop includes WARDC, WRAH WARIF, Community Women's Rights Foundation, Black Diamond Support Foundation, JTAH Foundation, Freedom Foundation, Central LSD, amidst others. Day 2 of the workshop kicked off with a recap of Day 1 for the role of men and boys in eliminating violence against women and girls. were discussed. Toro Eze Anaba, who is the executive director of Mirabel Centers, told the show with an extensive breakdown of sexual violence in Nigeria.
Everybody should realize that rape and sexual violence will no longer be tolerated. It is a crime against the survivors, it's a crime against the families, it is a crime against society. And so everybody should join hands to ensure that we have a society that is free from rape.
Hammering on its prevalence and challenges before the workshop was once again open for discussions and questions. The workshop raised different questions that also generated rare answers and prescribed solutions and featured organizations from all spheres of life, including people living with disabilities.
Of what we are doing for the children. So, if it is in school, teachers, principal, everybody will hide their hands. What can we do at the table? Also, for children. From my own personal experience, I had a boy, now big boy now, but at that time, the man used to play with my son. One day I was searching everywhere for my son. But as a woman living with deafness, if my child is crying, I can't hear the voice. If I'm calling my child until that person comes out, I will not hear. But I was searching for this boy. I am very careful person. That if I be searching in a minute, because I use my eyes to know what is happening. If somebody is running, I will run to follow the person. Go anywhere before I know it doesn't concern me, because I don't want anything bad to happen to me. So this boy is searching everywhere for my son. I'm looking here, until I met him on the table with one man in his own shop. He has been playing with my
little. There's no man that liveth that did not come from a woman. We have mothers, we have wives, we have sisters, we have daughters, and the list goes on. And so, if we pretend as if nothing is happening, God forbid, what goes round might just come round. So we must.
We men that we need to come out for this struggle. Some of us we have been on it since over 20 years. And we find it difficult that some of our men, they still don't believe that we need to support women. And we should not be afraid that people will say something. Whether you like it or not, they will say something. Maybe you are doing this thing for a purpose. Some will say because you love women. Some will say maybe you are using.
And she knows what I'm talking about. So what I did years ago in Project Alert, which has helped us, is I started what we call a survivors fund. A survivors fund. We have what we call a survivors fund. And how do I fund that fund? How do I fund that fund? I started funding that fund from my friends. I had to look for people, tell people, my friends, my birthday, don't give me anything. If you believe in what I'm doing, if you trust me, if you spend 10,000 naira every month to go to Chicken Republic and all of that, just give me 5.
Various participants and speakers also took out time to commend Project Alert for championing the cause of violence against women in Nigeria.
Well, I think this has been coming on for a long time now. Project Alert has been doing a lot of things around these issues, and it's encouraging to see that more people are now getting involved to the point of having it become a spotlight, which is what the project is about, spotlighting on gender and sexual and gender-based violence against women and children. I think it's a welcome development in that field of work.
I think it's something that's amazing. I think it's something we've always waited for. I'm happy it's coming now, because gender-based violence is something that is rampant in our society, and it's not just a women's matter. We need to get men involved, and which is what we are doing today. We are trying to sensitize everyone to understand that men need to get involved with in tackling gender-based violence and eliminating it from the society totally.
Because Project Alert has been working on issues affecting children, especially violence against women and children. And it's also an initiative that is being funded by the UN Women under the European Union funded Spotlight Initiative. So it's no longer in Lagos State. It's time to build the capacity of all stakeholders so that they can understand the principles involved in providing services for survivors of rape and sexual violence. Everybody should realize that rape and sexual violence will no longer be tolerated. It is a crime against the survivors, it's a crime against the families, it is a crime against society, and so everybody should join hands to ensure that we have a society that is free from rape and sexual violence.
This workshop is basically about getting stakeholders, both state and non-state actors in Lagos State, to get to know us. That's for those who don't know Project Alert, but a lot of people already know us. We've been in the Lagos area for 20 years. And also for people to know what the Spotlight project is all about and what we will be specifically doing under this component. Under this project, Project Alert will basically be trying to build the capacity of civil society organizations in the states, including community-based organizations and associations, including professional associations across some selected local government areas. The key areas, local government areas, are actually Ikorodu and Yaba, but we'll be extending to 7 more local government areas in the state.
Participants were in high expectations to impact what has been learned in the society as the workshop came to an end.